In today's video, we're going to take thrifted and dollar store items and turn your home into a Christmas wonderland. I found this apothecary jar at the thrift store. It's in excellent condition. I'm going to take these brush bottle trees and we're going to make a little scene in the jar. So after I cleaned it, I'm now going to add some Epsom salt. You can use Epsom salts like I am, or you can even use the fake snow from the dollar store, but I actually got this from the dollar store, and to me it's cheaper, and I actually like the way this looks. So that is one bag. I think I'm going to put another bag in. I think I'm going to put half a bag. Let's just see here. A bag and a quarter. Okay, and then I have these trees that I got from Walmart. You can get these anywhere, guys. Anywhere. So I'm going to put a tree in there. We have a little guest. Charlotte's helping. Are you helping, Charlotte? No, you're not. Okay. Keep in mind, this has got to go on. So that's about as high as it can go. And then there's these cute little ones here. I like to do things in threes. Now, I also have this bag of Christmas balls. And let's see what it looks like if I drop a couple of them in there. Oh, it's a broken one. So you can make this any color you want. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to fill this up with some Christmas balls. I'm going to arrange this a little bit better. We're going to put that top on, and I'm going to show you how I style. Okay, before I do that, I wanted to show you that I did change it out. So I made 3. You always want to do things in 3s or odd numbers. So I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to show you how to style it. I found this trunk at the thrift store. I'm not going to paint this. I'm actually going to leave it. About 3 years ago, I would have totally painted this, but the way I'm styling my home is a little different now. So I'm going to leave that open. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a tree in here from Walmart. And then I'm going to take this old box that I got. It was probably from a thrift store, or it could have even been an antique shop. And I'm going to pop that in there. When you're doing this, I want you to think about things that you have that you love. You want to stack, like you want to have your height. And then I've got a little shot of red here, just it goes well with the Christmas theme. And then I've got these that I got this from an Etsy seller. They are vintage bobbins, we think. Pretty cool. I got a whole bunch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack these going in here. So let me go ahead and I'm going to stack those in there. Again, think about some height and different textures. So what do you have in your home that you love that you could display in a little box like this? Let's talk pillows for a minute. The thrift store is a great place to find pillows. I take them home, I throw them in the wash and the dryer, and they are good to go. And way less than buying retail. Now, you can't always find what you want at the thrift store, and especially seasonal. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to make pillows using items from the dollar store. And one of them is totally genius. A new spin on an old way of doing something. Now, I got this pillowcase from the dollar store. It was $4.50. Pretty cute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this pillow and I'm going to stuff this. I just like to take these and put it in my temporary pillows for the season. there we have our pillow. What I like about this is I can take this off when the season is over and change out my pillowcase for something else for spring. But if you can't find that, I want to show you how you can take some placemats, and we're going to turn these placemats into a pillow without gluing two placemats together. So what you want to do is you're going to just grab this back, and then I'm going to make a little cut, just a little tiny cut to get it started, just enough so I can get all the stuffing in here. Now you're going to have to pull it away. Just kind of put your hand in there. So now we have a backing and we don't have to sew two together. Isn't that cool? Now all I'm going to do is add some hot glue along the seam, and we're just going to close it up. And this one, if you are liking the Ralph Lauren look this season, then again, this is a placemat, and all we're gonna do is cut into this a little bit, and we're gonna stuff this. After I stuff that, I'm gonna close it the exact same way, and this is how I styled all of the pillows. Let's talk about taking your everyday items like this plant I got from Walmart, this vase from the thrift store, and adding a little Christmas. This is originally from HomeSense, which is Home Goods in the US. I love the texture on this. I'm not going to do anything to it. It's beautiful. But I'm going to set that down. I'm going to take the plant that I got from Walmart. I'm going to pop that in there. Fits in there perfectly. Now for Christmas, I can take a bow and I can glue the bow on there or even just tack it. But I think what I might do is I have some of these gold balls that I'm just going to drop in randomly. Just going to drop these in here and there. So we just have a hint of Christmas. So think about how you can add a little Christmas to something that you already have in your home. And this is a lamp that I have in my bathroom. I'm just going to take my velvet ribbon and I'm just going to place it on there. You can tack it with a little bit of tape. And now I have a little Christmas in my bathroom. You've made it this far in the video. Comment the word Christmas, and that lets me know that it was you that watched this all the way to the end. I'd love to hear which project inspired you the most.